What can you do to not be bothered about the judgment of people who matter to you? That's a toughie, sir.
टफ ये है बिकॉज इसको समझना थोड़ा टफ है कि ऐसा क्यों होता है। और क्योंकि हमारा तरीका ज़िंदगी को जीने का और फैमिलीज़ और पीपल हु आर क्लोज टू अस उनको देखने का थोड़ा अलग है। आंसर बहुत इजी है।
जी।
आंसर है कि हम वही इफ़ेक्ट होते हैं जहाँ हमारी आइडेंटिटी होती है। जहाँ हमारी आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती हम वहाँ इफ़ेक्ट नहीं होते। तो अगर आपके लिए एक्टिंग बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड इफ़ दैट इज़ योर लाइक योर एंटायर फोकस इन लाइफ इसकी मुझे एक्टर बनना है, तो अगर वहाँ कुछ भी चीज़ें हिलेंगी तो आप हिल जाओगे। अगर आपने कोई ऑडिशन दिया और वो वर्कआउट नहीं किया तो आप अंदर से हिल जाओगे कि ये वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, मतलब मैंने कुछ सही नहीं किया, कुछ गलत हो रहा है, अरे मेरी लाइफ में तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा। तो आप उसको एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके चले जाते हो। वो क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हम अपनी आइडेंटिटी, अपना सेल्फ वर्थ उसमें डाल रहे हैं एक्टिंग में। सिमिलरली हम लोग बहुत आइडेंटिटी अपने क्लोज फैमिली मेम्बर्स या पार्टनर्स और सम वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, कुछ 4-5 कुछ लोगों के वो 7-8 लोग होंगे, कुछ लोगों के वो 2-3 लोग होंगे, वो 1-2 लोग या 5-7-8 लोगों में हम अपनी आइडेंटिटी डाल देते हैं। आइडेंटिटी डालने का मतलब है कि अब हमारा कोर, हमारा सेल्फ हमारे अंदर नहीं है, हमने उसे उठा के किसी और इंसान के अंदर डाल दिया। और ये सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, क्योंकि ईजी है रिकग्नाइज करना, ये पार्टनर्स के साथ बहुत होता है, वेदर इट्स योर बॉयफ्रेंड, योर हस्बैंड और एनी यू नो लाइक अ वेरी 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 क्लोज फ्रेंड। सो विद दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल आप अपने आप को भूल जाते हो और आप उस रिलेशनशिप को अपने से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देने लग जाते हो। So, but according to me, there are 3 people in a relationship. There is you, there is the other person, and there is the relationship. So there are 3 entities in a relationship. And until and unless there is a balance in all 3, which is that sometimes that person needs to give preference to their self, sometimes you need to give preference to yourself, and sometimes both of you need to give preference to the relationship. And a harmonious balance between the 3 is a healthy relationship. But ऐसा होता नहीं है। आप अपने सेल्फ को कई बार भूल ही जाते हो और सिर्फ रिलेशनशिप पे फोकस करने लग जाते हो। सो
वो खुद पे ही और रिलेशनशिप को भूल जाते हो।
कभी आप दूसरे इंसान को, रिलेशनशिप को भूल के बस अपने बारे में सोचने लग जाते हो कि मुझे तो मिल नहीं रहा, मेरे को तो जो चाहिए वो है नहीं। सो अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स द ओनली रीजन व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग इज बिकॉज आपका सेंटर और आपका कोर आपके अंदर नहीं है, वो बाहर है आपसे। तो विद पीपल क्लोज टू अस वी get affected because in our head their opinion matters. Whereas कोई सड़क पे चल के बोल देगा तुम ऐसी, तो हाँ तू सोचता है तो जा भाड़ में, मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ता है। You won't get affected if a random person comes and says, मतलब कुछ लोग उससे भी affect होते हैं। And a lot of people get affected even by a stranger saying something because there is such a lack of self-belief. Such a lack of belief in your own self that anybody from outside can say anything और आप उसमें हिल जाओगे। But even with people who have self-belief, those 3-4 people around you who are very important to you, उनके बोलने से आप हिलते हो because आपकी आइडेंटिटी उन लोगों में है। जी। So आइडेंटिटी और लव में बहुत फर्क होता है। I think the most important thing to understand is that identity is separate and love is separate. Whereas in our own heads, the concepts are very jumbled up. So what I'm trying, so identity, another way to define an identity is also attachment. Now, in our culture, attachment is a very positive word. Attachment मतलब इतना प्यार कर दिया, इससे ज़्यादा तो कोई प्यार कर ही नहीं सकता. So it's a very positive word in our culture. And so, but attachment actually है, according to me, love is without dependency. So when we are dependent on another person, that's what is attachment. When we are drawing our happiness, our self-worth from another person, that is attachment. But when we are just there for the other person, we are giving, that is love. So a lot of times this is what happens with parents. Parents don't realize that when a child is born, because you've taken care of that small little thing and it's such a protective, you're so responsible, that with time वो love attachment कब बन गया, वो responsibility attachment कब बन गया, आपको realize ही नहीं होता. And especially with mothers, you know, if you look at mothers, maybe 95% of the times, you have stopped living your life just so that your child can live your life.
Yeah.
And I feel that's a little unhealthy way of living. Because you can never undermine your own self at the cost of anybody, even if it is your own child. You have to live life for yourself and then also live life or do something for your child so that the child also grows to be a strong individual, a happy individual, a healthy individual. And you have to inculcate that also. But a lot of times we are drawing so much, even as a mother, drawing so much of our self-worth from our child that not only are we very dependent, we also want the child to be dependent on us. Because we are so insecure that this child will one day go away. So we rein in the child. हम उसको ऐसे बांध के रखते हैं बच्चे को.
So the core is not there anymore,
तो
right?
आप अपना कोर उस बच्चे में डाल रहे हो और आप ये भी चाहते हो कि उस बच्चे का कोर भी आपके अंदर रहे. तो दोनों अनहेल्दी तरीके से जी रहे हैं. और वो बच्चा जब अपनी माँ को किसी दिन छोड़ के किसी और शहर जाके पढ़ेगा या काम करेगा, वो कभी स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिविजुअल बन नहीं पाएगा. बिकॉज उसकी अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसी रही है कि मेरे अंदर तो मेरा कोर रह ही नहीं सकता.
Yeah.
मैं तो सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हूँ ही नहीं. मुझे तो फैमिली चाहिए या कोई चाहिए. और जब फैमिली नहीं होती तो आप लोगों को ढूंढते हो, उसी को आप करियर में डाल देते हो, आप अलग अलग चीज़ों में अपना कोर डालते जाते हो, क्योंकि बचपन से आपको ये नहीं सिखाया गया कि आपका कोर आपके अंदर रहना है.
Yeah.
But what a secure mother will do, she will keep her core in herself. She will inculcate the child to keep the core in their self. And then have a relationship of love and not of dependency and attachment.
And that works in any relation.
Any relationship. But this mother-child is a prime example because that's where it happens the most. It also happens in romantic relationships a lot with partners. So, you know, parent and partners and parent-child and two partners. This is where जो आपका सवाल है will apply the most because the concept of what love is very misunderstood.
Okay.
You know, the concept, you know, it should be passionate, it needs to be romantic, it needs to be exciting, it needs to be titillating, it needs to be romantic, and that attachment needs to be there. All these concepts are a little misleading. What ends up happening is it's two individuals coming together. According to me, when two people come together, not because when they need to be with each other, but because they want to be with each other. So a relationship should not be need based. Need based, yes. When two people come together, आप दो लोग साथ में आके आप कुछ चीज़ें एक दूसरे की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हो तो आप फुलफिल करोगे. पर एट अ वेरी कोर लेवल आपको अपना सेल्फ में एक सेल्फ सफिशेंसी होनी चाहिए. और जब तक वो सेल्फ सफिशेंसी आप में नहीं है, आपको मेरे हिसाब से रिलेशनशिप में नहीं जाना चाहिए. बिकॉज आप कभी भी हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप कर नहीं पाएंगे अगर जब तक आप अपने में संतुष्ट और पूर्ण नहीं हो. Till you are complete in your own self, you're not ready for a relationship. But we use relationship for exactly the opposite thing, which is come complete me because I am incomplete.
And I will torture you.
Yeah. So because we are incomplete, and then what comes with incompleteness is that we have a notion of what a partner should be like. And then we start projecting our notion of what a partner should be on that other person. And when that other person does not comply with those boxes that we need to be ticked, then we say the relationship is not working. ये तो मेरे लिए कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा, तुम तो मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करते, तुम तो बदलते ही नहीं हो, तुम तो you just want to be yourself.
Oh, sir.
This is what we say. But at the end of the day, yes, that person should be their self.
Yeah, they should.
And you should be yourself. And then the two should come in a relationship. So it takes two very secure people to have a healthy relationship.
So basically, it is about self-love. Like we बहुत सुनते हैं ये चीज़ें कि self-love and unconditional love. But that's how it should be. That is the right and correct way.
Yeah, I mean, self-love.
Healthy.
Yes, self-love से ज़्यादा I would say self-acceptance.
Self-acceptance.
Because self-love is very, again, on one of those, because of the Western way of, it's like look in the mirror and say, I love myself, I love. So it's a very, it can end up being a very, just a very exercise that's only happening at the surface. But you can't fake self-acceptance.
Yeah, you can't.
You can't do that. Like I know people for whom self-love works better than self-acceptance. You know, so what works for you? You should say and feel what works for you. For some people, saying I love myself is better than saying I accept myself. But at the end of the day, what you're doing is accepting yourself only.
Yeah.
Even when you can, so let me put it this way. Self-acceptance is a precursor to self-love. You cannot love yourself till you accept yourself.
Yeah.
So see, do you want to directly say I love myself, or do you want to say I accept myself and then automatically feel that you love yourself? You know, so it can, whatever works for you. So yeah, we feel judged by people close to us because our identity is in that person.
So I think it's when you maintain a balance in your head about your relationships or about all your relationships, it will help you in not getting bothered by all of that.
We slowly realize and understand how to, because it's very easy for you and I to sit and theoretically discuss it. But when it comes to practically applying these things, also because there's one more other person involved, that's where it becomes complicated. You know, it's slightly easier to work on yourself than to work on your relationship.
Yeah.
You know, it's slightly easier. But at the end of the day, working on your relationship is also working on yourself.
Yeah.
Working on the relationship doesn't mean तुम ये बदलो, तुम ये बदलो, तुम ये बदलो. No, working on the relationship is पहले अपने आप को बदलो. Realize कि मेरी तरफ से क्या issues आ रहे हैं. First change yourself. Then hope that your partner also changes. And नहीं हो रहा तो try. But नहीं हो रहा तो then okay, fine. I mean, if it's beyond a point of that, what is better, to be miserable in a relationship or to be happy alone? But of course, I'm not saying just give up on it instantly, but if over a period of time that misery is not going away, where you've tried a lot to change yourself, where you have tried to make the other person understand where the issue is coming, and if nothing works out and you've given it your best shot, then maybe it is better for these two people to be two individuals. You know, I also feel a lot of times, let's just say, say my partner is more dependent than I am on my partner. Then if my partner, so if I have a girlfriend and she's more dependent on me, then one way is that, okay, I work on myself and change myself. But at the same time, I know that dependency is not going away. And if you drag that for about 20, 30, 40 years, you realize that the dynamics have not changed and this person has become a dependent person all their life. So somewhere we are also doing injustice to this other person by not letting them become an independent person. Because this person could only be in the relationship had it been a relationship of dependency.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is sometimes we are also doing something better for the other person also. Because I mean, when that person's choice, they want to jump into another one with dependency, that's their choice.
Yeah.
But I sometimes feel that it's disservice to two people when it's an unhealthy relationship. It's disservice to your own self. It's disservice to the other person. But again, I'm not saying that you should break up and all that. Yeah, that sounds so wrong. Yeah, so it's not about just सबको छोड़ दो, सब break up. I'm not propagating that. All I'm saying is try and make your relationships healthy, which cannot happen till you accept yourself and till you're complete in yourself. That's it.